Look, trying to pick the best DSLR feels like a nightmare. Endless specs, confusing jargon, and budget worries. So you end up stuck scrolling forever. The truth is, this video cuts through the noise, shows you exactly which camera fits your style and wallet, and gets you shooting amazing photos right now. Product number 1. Canon EOS Rebel T7 DSLR Camera Double. Hold on to your hats, everyone, because kicking off our list at number 1 is a total game changer for anyone wanting to step up their photo game. The Canon EOS Rebel T7 DSLR Camera Double Zoom Lens Kit. Look, if you are tired of fuzzy smartphone pictures and want to dive into real photography, this is honestly the exact kit you need. Wow, what you get right out of the box is incredible. It comes packed with a sharp 24.1 megapixel sensor that makes your images pop with stunning clarity and detail. But here is the best part. You do not just get one lens, you get two. You get the versatile 18 to 55mm for your everyday shots, plus the 75 to 300mm telephoto lens to bring those faraway subjects right up close. Trust me, whether you are shooting gorgeous portraits, epic landscapes, or crisp full HD videos, this setup does it all. Plus, with built-in Wi-Fi, sharing your masterpieces on the go is an absolute breeze. Be sure to check the link in the description below for the best active discounts today. Product number 2. KODAK PIXPRO AZ405 20MP Digital Camera. Now, if you love the Canon Rebel I just talked about, but you want something that travels a bit lighter without losing that big camera feel, you are going to love this. Honestly, I need to talk about the KODAK PIXPRO AZ405 digital camera. Wow, this little bridge camera is such a fun shooter. Look, you get a massive 40x optical zoom paired with a 24mm wide-angle lens, which means you can capture sweeping landscapes and distant wildlife all with one body. Trust me, the optical image stabilization is a total lifesaver here, keeping your shots crisp even when you are fully zoomed in. It also shoots gorgeous 1080p Full HD video, and the 3-inch LCD screen makes framing your shots an absolute breeze. Plus, features like Smart Scene Detection take all the guesswork out of shooting, and running on standard AA batteries is super convenient when you are on the road. If you want to grab one for your next adventure, be sure to check the link in the description for the best active discounts today. Product number 3. Canon EOS Rebel T7 DSLR Camera with E30C EOS RT7L Nex 2. Alright, after I dove into the KODAK PIXPRO AZ405 and saw how easy point-and-shoot can be, I'm super excited to step up the game with the Canon EOS Rebel T7 DSLR camera with EF1A55mm and 75300mm double zoom kit, plus a 500mm preset telephoto lens, camera bag, 64GB memory card, Photography Pro guidebook, and a ton of accessories, all 13 items in one box. Honestly, this bundle feels like a photographer starter pack on steroids. The T7's 24.1 megapixel APS-C sensor delivers crisp, vibrant images, and the dual zoom lenses give you everything from sweeping landscapes to distant wildlife without swapping glass. Wow, that convenience is a game changer. Trust me, the 500mm preset telephoto lens lets you capture subjects far away with impressive detail, while the included bag and 64GB card means you're ready to shoot all day. The guidebook walks you through settings, composition, and lighting, so even if you're brand new, you'll feel confident fast. Look, this is the perfect upgrade if you want creative control and serious image quality. Check the link in the description for the best active discounts today. Product number 4. Nikon D7500 20.9MP DSLR camera with AFS. Now, if you are moving up from that Canon Rebel I just talked about, wow, you are in for a massive treat. Let us talk about the Nikon D7500 with the 18 to 140mm lens kit. Honestly, this camera is an absolute powerhouse for anyone ready to take their photography seriously. Look, the heart of this beast is a stunning 20.9 megapixel sensor paired with a seriously versatile zoom lens that features built-in vibration reduction, meaning your shots stay crisp, even when your hands do not. Trust me, the low-light performance on this thing will completely blow your mind, letting you shoot deep into the evening without losing detail. Plus, the autofocus is lightning fast, tracking moving subjects with insane precision. Whether you are capturing sweeping landscapes or tight portraits, this setup just delivers breathtaking colors right out of the box. You can really feel the professional build quality the second you pick it up, yet it stays remarkably comfortable for all-day shooting, which is a huge plus. Ready to upgrade your creative game? Check the link in the description below for the best active discounts today. Product number 5. Canon EOS Rebel T7 DSLR Camera. Now, if stepping up to that Nikon felt a bit too intense, or maybe a little out of your comfort zone, let us talk about the absolute king of beginner cameras, the Canon EOS Rebel T7 DSLR camera with 18 to 55mm lens bundle. Honestly, if you are just starting out your photography journey, this is the exact camera you have been looking for. Wow, let me tell you, that 24.1 megapixel APS-C sensor delivers gorgeous, crisp photos that completely blows smartphone pictures out of the water. Trust me, learning the ropes has never been easier or more fun. Plus, this complete bundle hooks you up right out of the box with a 64GB memory card and a sturdy camera bag, so you are literally ready to shoot on day one. Look, no more messing around with cables either, because built-in Wi-Fi and NFC make transferring your favorite shot straight to your phone an absolute breeze. If you want to capture your everyday adventures without any complicated tech headaches, you need to check the link in the description down below for the best active discounts today. That's it for our top picks. Let me know in the comments which one is your favorite. Check the description for links, and I'll see you in the next video.